Ember, take shots.
Technology has exposed so many moral concepts. The internet, which we live now, is flooded with thousands of indecent images of digital lifestyle in which contradict Islamic teaching. And the consistent exposure to this has made it more fashionable. Technology has led to distraction of faith. People now prefer staying online on WhatsApp rather than supplicating and praying to Allah. People now prefer to stay active online rather than praying to Allah. They sleep throughout their family now because they are online online. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said there are two places in which people can use. Number one is their health, and number two is their free time. Technology is silently consuming and wiping away our free time, which is leading us to spiritual emptiness and spiritual loneliness. Technology has given avenue for moral organization and conflict. People now take social media as a way to show off their wealth, their clothes, and they put it on filtered lifestyle to the internet, in which corrupt the mind of the youth. People now rather take validation through TikTok like photos rather than people now take validation through TikTok like photos rather than class. Prophet